It is better if we write number of men. It is better if we write number of men and number of days. It means that if 8 men can do a job in 12 days, जॉब का मतलब है कोई काम, जॉब मीन्स वर्क. If eight men complete the job in 12 days, 24 men will complete in how many days? For how many days we will write symbol X. Now think over it for a while. Think over this question. Just on these two headings, what is the relationship between these two? If we have more people, we can do earlier. जितने ज़्यादा लोग होंगे उतनी जल्दी काम हम कर लेंगे. So if we write, first of all, write arrow with its head upside, and always write where you have written X. Wherever you have, there are 4 places of writing X. These are all 4 places you can write X. Wherever you write X, first of all, write symbol with it. Write arrow with it. Now, we see that if we increase men, days decrease. If we have small number of men, then they will take more days. It means if less men, more days. If more days, less men. It means, or you can say, if we have more men, less days. So these are inverse, एक दूसरे के उलट हैं. So we will put arrow like this. But the method to solve these types of question is same. You will move with arrow with head to tail. Head to tail rule. I was telling that you use head to tail rule. So first of all, write X. First write X, then 12, then 8, and then 24. So X over 12 is equal to 8 over 24. This sign means this implies that. This implies that. Generally, it means that new line is starting from here. So X is equal to, now 12 ones are and 12 twos are 24, 2 ones are 2, 4s are, so multiply 4 with 1, multiply 4 with 1, you get 4. So 4 is the number of days. I think you have understood. Now I read question number 13. If six men can do a piece of work in 20 days, how many extra men should be engaged to do the job in 15 days? So it is same question as that was question number 12. 6 men can do in 20 days. How many extra men? Now at this time, how many men would do the same job in 15 days? First of all, we find how many men will complete it in 15 days. How many total number of men we need. So again, we will put sign of inverse, because if we increase men, the number of days decrease. So we will move from head to tail. Five fours are, five threes are, three twos are, and eight. So it means that 8 people we need to make to complete this task in 15 days. But he asked how many extra men are needed, because he already had six. Because he already had six, so we need two more people, because total number of men we need 8 and he already had 6, so two extra men are needed. So I think that you might have understood. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.